Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to change Shopify store name and URL. Firstly, from your Shopify dashboard, look at the bottom left corner. Click Settings and you'll be taken to your store's general settings page. In the Settings menu, click Store Details, then find the selection labeled Basic Information. Now click Edit on the right-hand side. In the store name field, type your new name, and you can also change your legal business name and industry here if needed. Just click Save either at the bottom or top right of the page, then done, your Shopify store name is now updated. Now, to change your Shopify URL, buy a new domain through Shopify, connect an existing domain, then transfer your domain to Shopify. Just go to Settings, then Domains, and click Buy a new domain. Type in your desired domain name, and Shopify will show available options and prices. Just click Buy, and it'll automatically connect you to your store. Now, if you already have a domain, just go to Settings, then Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain, and enter your domain name and follow the verification steps Shopify provides. Now, if you want Shopify to fully manage your existing domain, go to Settings, then Domains. Click Transfer Domain and follow Shopify's prompts to transfer ownership. Now, go to Domains again. Under Primary Domain, click Change Primary Domain. Select your new domain and click Save.